something. To your boy, say something.
First off, I'm gonna say happy birthday. I love you, cousin. This is a gift from CINCO, man.
You know, CINCO?
That's from CINCO. Yeah, help him
W-CINCO.
W-CINCO in the fucking chat, man. Hey.
Shout out CINCO.
Hey, I was wearing them. I was trying to take pictures in them. And shit. You have to see if I fit them and shit.
Right.
Appreciate it, bro.
I think my makeup so bad. All right, play the music.
Back to that shit, man. Back to that shit.